afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello, good afternoon. I would like to speak with Mr. Johnson.
I afford Mr. Jason is currently in a meeting. Can I take a message?
Yes, please, can you tell me that John from ABC Corporation College, and I would like to discuss the upcoming project.
Absolutely. I make sure to paste on the mention. I have your contact number.
Sure, it's 08
Yes.
52
Yes.
45
Yes.
65
Yes.
2925.
Thank you for calling.
Yes, thank you.